everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this is me Shilpa. And if you are seeing this channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also after watching this whole video, make sure you give this a big thumbs up. And today's video is all about doing makeup for the problematic skin. I know there are a lot of tutorials that will teach you for sure how to do makeup and how to do this, how to do that, but basically this video, the main point of this video is like how I do my makeup, where I do have a lot of problems on my skin which you can't see always in the camera because it will always blur it out, and in reality there are. Okay, so it's like a very simple tutorial where how you can also deal with certain minute tiny issues, which all the things I learned through the time. So I hope you all will like this video, and make sure you follow me on my Instagram. So without any further delay, let's get started.
So before getting started, let me show you my real skin. So basically I have a lot of problems because of ingrown hair and acne marks, and that's not a big problem for me. And after cleansing my face, I'm gonna use a moisturizer, and I've already used a sunscreen. I mean, the skincare is already done. So this is my skin before doing the makeup, and make sure you're not skipping this video, you won't be understand anything. Okay, so first of all, I'm doing the color correction. So for that, I'm taking my lipstick. It can be a red or orange color. Because I'm showing this for the beginners, I'm using my lipstick itself. If you have a color corrector, it is better to use that. I'm just showing so that even the beginners can do it. And so basically what you want to do is like take a bit of it and dab on the areas which are dark in shade, not the areas which are red but which are darker in shade, like browner or like marks which are is there on your skin. If you have red color acne marks or anything, use a green color corrector and do not use a lot of it. Only apply it on the areas which are required, not too much as you see on this Instagram viral videos. Please don't do it. And then you are going to apply a concealer. I'm using the Maybelline one. So this one also, do not apply a lot of it, and make sure you're not blending out the orange color corrector too much. It should be there, it should not completely be blended. On top of that only we are going to apply the concealer, and make sure you are getting the concealer which is exact to your shade, or I mean even if it is a bit darker also it's fine. Mine is a bit lighter, but the thing with me is like I am used to blending and making it to my skin shade, so it's not a problem. But if you are a beginner, make sure you choose your concealer shade like that. I'll be linking down everything below. You can even use your fingers or brush. Please don't go for a makeup sponge because that will take out a lot of product from our the face. So better to use it for a foundation or something. And this one is completely blended, and then I'm taking this red color, same color again, and applying it on my cheeks. But make sure if you have a lot of dark patches over there, do not apply a blush or highlighter or whatever. Make sure that it is looking dewy, and go for this one, that is cream one. And after that I'm going to set it with a powder. Why? Because we are using a lot of cream products, right? So it should not budge around, it should not be like smudged, or it should not look very greasy on the skin after some time. And obviously with oily skin, mine is not properly oily nowadays, but still I always use this powder. This is a really nice compact. If you can get it, do get it. It will make your makeup last longer, even though it is a white color in shade. It is really nice, and it will make your makeup stay for longer. So this is the final results. Look at my skin, it is completely covered. Yes, not completely covered, but still. And I'm using a mascara, and the main motive of this whole makeup thingy is like, it shouldn't look like very fake, but it should not look like you haven't done anything. It's like that. Okay, then I'm going to apply a lipstick which is a bit more nuder. It's not too dark, but it's kind of between brown and red. So this is the final look. This is what I used to do for my college on a daily basis, and that's what I said, it should not look too much. If you are applying products, apply it in a limit, don't apply too much at a go. And make sure you're following me on my Instagram. So I hope this video was useful for you. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends and family, and like this video, and we'll see you in another video. Bye bye, take care.